In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to make an email signature that is customized and has this cool rainbow effect. So you want to start in PowerPoint and you're going to change your slide size by going to Design, Slide Size, Page Setup, and then go to Custom and have your width 5 inches and your height 2 inches. So as you can see, I have already created mine. So I'm just going to start from scratch though and show you how I created it. All right, I'm going to insert a new slide. And the first thing you want to do is insert text box. Just drag it over and type in your name, and you can have your title as well. If you wanted to do Mrs. Mandy Passmore, you can do that as well. All right, then just make it large, and this font that I use is Gateway Signature, which is a free font. All right, I'm just going to reposition that. All right, the next thing you want to do is change each of your letters to the colors that you want. So I do a rainbow effect, and I start with orange. So I'm just going to change my font color to that orange that I want it to be. And then I'm just going to go around the rainbow wheel for each one. All right, let's see. I could just adjust as I want it. Let's go here. All right, I'm going to pause the video and just finish this off. But yeah, you'll just make each one a different color. And then just go around that rainbow wheel. All right, so I have just finished going around the rainbow wheel, and this is what it turned out to look like. So now I'm going to click on the text box and click on Shape Format. And then on the right-hand side, I want to click on Format Pane so that this right-hand side pane opens up. Then I'm going to click on Text Options and click on the second icon. So first I'm going to change the glow. I want to click on the preset first and click on the first preset, and that gives it a glow behind, and the default color is blue, but I'm going to change that to white. Then I am going to change the size to 2 point, and the transparency, I'm going to turn that off. All right, so that put like a space in between each letter. So now I'm going to click on Shadow, and again, click on that first preset. All right, and then I'm going to change my transparency to, let's go to 70%, somewhere around there. And my size can stay at 100. My blur, I'm just gonna make it 3 point. The angle, 45 still, and the distance is 3, and that's all fine. All right, so that gave it a little shadow and a little bit of a glow. So that's what that looks like. The next step is to add your description. So I'm gonna insert a text box and just put my grade level, 4th grade teacher, and my school, Liberty Intermediate School. And then I'm just going to change the font of that as well. So you can do whatever font you want. Let's go with this one. All right, and if you want a Bitmoji or clip art, you can also use that. So I am going to open a new window and find a Bitmoji that I like. So I like to use this one. I type in work and I get the one with the desk. So I'm going to copy that image, go back to PowerPoint, right click. Yep, I want to be out of here. And paste that in. So there that is. I'm just going to resize it and drop that here. All right, so once I am done with all of that, I am going to select everything and right click and click group so that it is all grouped together. All right, now I want to click on the group and save as picture. So I'm just going to label this email signature and save it to my desktop, save it as a PNG, so save. All right, so now you have all of that done, and now you can put it in your email signature. So I'm going to go to Gmail. Just make this a little bit bigger. All right, so you want to go to settings, the gear icon on the right, and go to settings again. And then scroll all the way down on the general, sorry, not all the way down, and you will see a signature box. So you can see I've already put in the picture signature here, but I will show you how to create a new one. So go to create new email signature and create. And then you want to click on this insert image button, upload, select file from your device and find that file. And I put it on my desktop, here it is, and open. Now, I don't know why it does this, but if you notice, it makes it blurry for me. So I am going to show you how to fix that. So I'm just gonna remove that, go back to PowerPoint, and instead of saving it as a picture, I'm gonna screenshot this. So Shift-Command-4 if I'm on a Mac, or you can use print screen and then just crop it if you're on Microsoft. So I'm going to screenshot that and now go back to Gmail, insert image, upload, and this time I'm going to use that screenshot version. And now it is not blurry. All right, so it opens really large. So if I click on it, it's set to original size. So I can click on small, medium, or large. I kept it as large. Now, if you want to add something below it, you can add text, like I put my class website link. So www.mrsclassroom.wordpress.com. And I didn't put this in my image so that it would be clickable. All right, and I'm just going to set that as a link. All right, so now I can use this, and I'm actually going to just change the font of that to make it a little bit prettier. Change the color if you want. I just want to change the color of this to purple. All right, and then you will just scroll down and click Save Changes. And I'm not going to save it just because I already have it. And then when you go to Compose, you will see that it is right here, ready to rock and roll. All right, that is how you add a customizable email signature. If you have any questions, just let me know.